What is it, Atlee?
What
Is he a present?
is it?
What is it? Oh, apple juice.
Apple juice. What is
What's
it?
that?
That is stickers. It's Dora stickers.
Look what Mama has.
Look. It's shirts, underwear.
Pajamas. Oh,
And
look. Look, Atlee, look.
Oh, can open it.
Atlee, look.
Look, big girl panties.
There's some panties.
All right, what's next?
What's that?
You get stickers. Alright, we'll open that later.
You can open it.
Alright, next. That's garbage.
Next.
What's that?
What's the bag at you?
Oh, what's open?
Alright, open it up.
What you got?
That's it.
What is it?
Happy birthday to you.
What is it?
I don't know. Open it up.
She said, which is it?
What's it? Oh, James.
James.
It
Yeah.
is James.
Yeah, pull that back. Pull it back. Like this.
And James drives. He'll drive on that track.
Will he?
Mm-hmm.
It's Pull and Zoom James for portable safety.
That
Yeah.
track that Dandy got, it'll
Okay.
go on.
Will it do on the wood one?
I don't know, we'll try it. It doesn't always
You
fly.
open it.
Okay, I open it. You open the next present. I'll be opening this one for you. Open some there. Open this one.
I open.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You're good to grow, so count your candles and blow. Happy birthday to you. To you. Happy birthday.
Oh. I'm close.
Oh goodness, it's a Thomas.
Color.
It's
Yeah.
a Thomas book.
Color.
Yeah, let me see. What does it do?
Color.
Oh man, you can color on.
Color.
Thomas.
Then open it. Open it.
Hold on, Mama's gonna open it for you.
Watch.
Oh, look at James go. Woo woo.
There you go.
Express coming through.
Alright.
Open it, Mama.
Okay, I'll open this. You open the next present. Open. Okay. One part of it. James in the back?
Oh my goodness. Oh man.
Look, his wheels move. And it's a book.
Goodness. Who's that? Who's that, Atlee?
I'm the brightest red engine on Sodor.
What's this?
That's his wheel.
Well,
Yeah.
Good.
how much is?
That's the last page.
The end.
Full steam ahead.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Thomas is okay.
I'm gonna get trouble.
Getting in trouble.
I'm the brightest
She
red
said
engine
Sodor.
on Sodor.
Alright. You like it?
Make sure to always be a really useful engine.
Alright. Let's see what's next.
All right. Here you go.
Present.
Presents.
What's shit. Oh, man. Stop.
Thomas socks.
What's over it?
You gonna wear some socks? You gonna wear a pair of socks?
Yes. Oh, what's that?
Sticker. They're stickers.
Okay. Come, Mommy.
Okay, Mommy opening. Daddy's open the socks. Let's see what's next.
I got it. Stop.
Yeah, put them on you.
Stop.
Thomas.
No, Mommy, I'm blind.
You want this one?
No, I didn't.
This blue one?
Yes.
You gonna mix and match them?
Stop.
Oh.
Stop.
You don't like the Thomas one?
Yes. I'm blind.
Okay. Eat a box.
Now, Mommy, pick it off.
This is so silly. Ooh.
No, I can pick cake.
With this.
I look way smaller in real life than it is in the package.
Okay.
What is that?
Oh,
one? I
Mom.
have a diaper on.
Who?
Henry.
Henry.
No, I don't think so.
Open it.
Look at it. Who is it? Who is it? Who is that?
Oh, Edward.
No.
Hello.
No.
Not that.
Express coming through.
Golden.
Gordon, yeah.
Is she looking at his eyes? Trying to figure him out.
She's looking at the face.
Golden.
She recognizes him by the face.
Oh,
We gotta find the hero.
They might have missed the face.
Obviously, she didn't know.
Open.
All right, last one. Isn't it?
Oh, look at a baby doll. Yeah, a baby doll. Daddy can't keep up with all the open it requests.
Keep trying.
There you go.
That's it. Open the door. I think it's
Bubble bath.
Tyler. Yeah.
This is the bath doll, baby.
Threw stuff in the water. It's a bath baby. She gonna take a bath with you.
Let's put the noose off her neck. Oh.
She got a little blanket like you do. That you said.
I drink it.
You drink it. That's supposed to drink it.
There.
Let's see how this works, Daddy. See what actually works like envisioned. After you do that.
Oh man.
Alright, let's look at this one. See, let Daddy show you how to do it. I don't know if it marks everywhere else. I'll just got your stomach. Go down.
color? What color?
I don't.
We did that right. Look, ready?
Ready.
Hold on, wait. Color.
I'll pick that.
Look, it does different colors, look.
Mom.
Look, I was gonna show you.
I'll pick that.
Do you want a coloring? Let's put him back. Alright.
Right, Atlee there?
Yes. Mother.
Mm-hmm.
Mother.
Alright, you gonna write Atlee? You gonna write an A?
I made it.
Good.
Oh man, it does look kind of like an A, don't it?
Walk. Way.
Oh, look, yeah.
Oh.
Different colors. This top. Okay, I think that's everything. Along with the cozy coop over here, Caroline, the cozy coop. Happy birthday, Atlee. No. Put the top on.
I did it.
All right.
More. Some more. Okay. Let's do it.
Wave to the camera.
Emily.
Is that Emily? It is Emily. Ooh, that's a pretty color you're painting her. What if you would paint the whole thing?
Top hat.
Who? Topham hat?
Oh. Color. Oh. Color.
What's on a page?
What's that?
What's this?
Oh. Pay back. Pay back. Pay back. It's mine. Let me pay back. Open the door first.
Daddy's turn.
Let go, Daddy. Oh. Let go. Let go.
Annie, don't be ugly. Tell Daddy you're sorry.
Well, Daddy's snatching it from her.
What color?
Can we help you?
Mine.
No, that was right. Can I show you how to put it back on?
No.
Atlee, Kate, let Daddy help you.
Ah!
Don't be ugly.
Like that.
Oh. Do it.
Color their face. Color their face.
See their face? I'm going to show her her ice cream if you want to.
Oh, what's there? What's there? What's there?
No, that's
No,
not a face.
that's not
That's
a
the
face.
end.
Color
The
this one.
end. Look.
Now
Who's
put
that?
that.
How about whoa. How about this? Who's that?
Harold.
Harold. Sure is.
Open that.
Put it back. Okay. You ready for ice cream?
Oh, I'm going to pick.
Atlee.
Where's Careful?
Express coming through.
Where's Careful? Careful. We're going next. Oh, man.
You go fast too.
It's Express, Daddy. What do you think?
Careful. Hey, what's the color?
Whoa, he goes real fast. Racing.
Atlee,
Watch.
you ready for ice cream?
No.
No. Well, what baby likes Thomas over ice cream? That girl.
Oh, good. How about this?
That it doesn't work on there. It only works on your book. See, it only works on the Thomas book.
Oh, no.
That's a story.
Bless you.
Okay, I got it.
Wave to the camera.
That.
Bye-bye.
Back there. Get back. Baby, get back. Baby, get back. Baby, get back.
All right.
What? The off. Help.
Well, she can get a bath later. Oh, her got a diaper too.
Off. Ooh. Off, off. Ooh. And back.
I'm
Off.
taking that baby's clothes off. It's not bath time yet, baby.
Over back. What's that? What's that? What's that?
Got a runny nose.
Ooh.
Ellie, look.
Oh, so sweet. Ow.
It's a clown. Look. See the clown? You got to sit in your chair if you're gonna eat, okay?
What's it there?
Here, I'm gonna sit it down.
Look
You
how
can sit in your chair.
pretty.
Where's your back?
Baby's not gonna be
Here, let's sit in your chair so you can eat the ice cream, okay?
No, see ice cream. You see, happy birthday to you.
Come here. You wanna play with your stickers and eat ice cream? Here, I'm gonna set them right here. Come on, you get in your chair.
Ice cream.
Ice cream time. You gonna eat your ice cream?
No.
No,
I'm not.
you're not. Ooh, look at all those stickers. My goodness, there's a lot of stickers. Like a lot of stickers.
Okay.
There's a lot of little bitty stickers in there.
Pick your.
75?
Okay.
Ooh, bless
Pick
you.
one.